Hi everyone, in this video I will explain why many companies, especially startups, fail to open a bank account in UAE. First, let me explain why it has become so complicated to open a bank account in UAE. The UAE has introduced many regulations to combat money laundering and terrorism financing in recent years, and that has created additional obligation on the banks to do proper due diligence to check their customers before onboarding them. So in this video, I'm going to explain three main reasons why banks may refuse to open a bank account and how to deal with those issues in order to open a bank account successfully. Number one, the company has no office. This is a very common situation because many companies in UAE, they can be established with a flexi desk and without an actual office. And this creates an issue with bank account opening down the road. So if your business actually does not require to have an office, then you must have at least a residence address in UAE with a utility bill. Otherwise, if you can afford, go for a company with an actual office. Number two, the activity is high risk. Some activities are considered as high risk in bank policies. That's why for certain types of activities, bank require additional information and additional documentation. So if you have a chance to choose between low risk and high risk activities, always go for the low risk activities. For example, general trading activity is considered as high risk, and specific products trading activity is considered low risk. So if you are trading with specific products, go for trading license with specific products. Don't go for the general trading license. Even in the future you are planning to trade with many types of products. Initially start with the specific trading activity, in which case you have more chances of opening a bank account with less requirements and with less documentation. Number three, there is no proof of source of funds. So the banks basically want to know where the shareholders come from, how they have made their income prior to starting a business. So it's better to share with banks information, documents as much as possible. It's better to be clear, transparent with banks so that they can verify the source of funds and they can be comfortable to onboard the company and open a bank account. Most of the cases, shareholders are not comfortable to share this information, like bank statements, for example, and this creates issues because if you hide information from banks, or if you are not comfortable to share information with banks, then basically banks also will not be comfortable to open an account.